In part 1 of the report tutorial, we explored the report preview. We went over how and when to set the project completion status and select which package was verified. You can edit all of the report text except for the recommendations in the Edit Report field. Specific recommendations for each package are edited from within the Packages module. In part 2 of the report tutorial, we'll edit the pieces of the report that we can from this module. Click the Edit Report button, and you can change the title of your report. You can change the report date. You can set a project completion date that would serve as a deadline for your customer. You can edit the introduction paragraph, and you can edit the energy use and quality guarantee. Again, click and drag to allow more or less room. You can choose files that you might want to upload that are common to the report. These might include photos of the home and the project in general, rather than photos that are specific to each package upgrade. As with all the other modules, the Reports module has a Notes field so that you can add clarifying comments for both yourself and any project reviewers. Let's continue our report overview now. At this point, we've edited our text, we've edited our package notes, we've uploaded some photos. You can see the graphs are still here. Our tables, the chart we uploaded earlier was uploaded by way of the Packages module, and it's specific to this particular package. We don't have any images uploaded for package 2. And we've reviewed the tables with all of the values. Back at the top of the page now, we can take a look at the various options to review, print, and send the report to your customer. Click on the View Report button. A new browser tab opens up for you so that you can review the final report. This is all of the edited information that we want to include in our report. This should all look familiar by now. From this view, in the top right corner, you'll see various options to review, print, or email your report. Pushing the printer icon generates a printer-friendly version of the report. Let's close this tab for clarity now, and we'll take a look at the email version of the report. Your email address is auto-filled from your user profile. You can edit your name, enter the email addresses of all the people you wish to receive a copy of the report, including yourself. Send the email, and your report is on its way to your customer. The PDF version of the report requires an additional step in order to review the graphs that are automatically generated by EUSAVE. Let's take a look at the initial PDF version first, then we'll come back to manage the images as we need. Click the PDF icon and the report will download to your Downloads folder. This is our PDF report. The images upload. Currently, there is no way to adjust the size of the images. All of the recommendations are here. Our graph uploads. and the text for the improvement on package number 2 without PV. The supporting tables appear on their own page, and on the last page is the program enrollment and fuel release form. Now, one thing you'll notice that's missing from the report are the cost effectiveness graphs that are automatically generated by EUSAVE. This is where our additional step comes in. I'll close this for clarity, and I'll close this view for clarity. You may have noticed that as we've gone through our report that there is a View Image of Chart button. This is needed because this graph will not automatically upload to the PDF version of the report. What we need to do is click the button to show the image of the chart, right-click to save the image, and the image downloads to the folder you've selected. We'll close this for clarity, and we'll do this one more time with our second graph. Show the image, save the image, now we need to go back and edit the report to upload those images. Back on the report page, we can see that our graphs are still there. However, they appear twice now on the preview page. This is okay because one of the graphs is automatically generated from within the tool and the other we've uploaded. And remember, this is only the report preview page, and you only need to take this step when you're working with the PDF version of the report. Now we'll view the report and view the PDF version of the report. It has downloaded. We have our table, our photo, our cash flow graph, and the package costs and credits graph. Note that the title of the graph comes in, so you can rename your graph something else or just leave that blank. The PDF version of the report is now complete, and you can choose to send this by email, save it to your folder, print it out, however you'd like to manage your file. Congratulations, you've now completed all of the tutorials for EUSAVE. You can model your building, create a package, add some financing, print a report, and send it to your customer. If you have any questions or issues, please see the parsekenergy.com website and log into the user forum to ask questions and share answers and comments from other users.